So let's continue this what if. I just changed something inside the BIOS, that's the previous video, and now I want to install the language, English United States, time and currency, all good, but the keyboard is not gonna work for me. Belgian periods is what we need. And let's see if it still complains about, well, the hardware settings do not, etc. Now it comes after this one. He complained, saying this is not a good thing. Aha, passed it. Install Windows only advanced. Yeah, it's Windows 10 that's on there. So what I always do is start with a clean slate, which means removing all the partitions that was previously installed for Windows 10. I don't want any remnants. I know people sometimes keep the home directory and stuff like that in Linux. I really don't. I have less issues, right? Now you don't need to do a new, so you just can go ahead, say next, because hey, you'll see there is nothing there. So he's master of the hard disk and he'll do whatever he wants or it pleases. There is a bummer in this tool, which is great, which we can move around, right, with this tripod. But there's one thing that should do, guys, developers. There's no pause button. So I guess that means you're gonna scroll through the video. No sense watching this percentage go up. Alright, so in the previous video I've changed something in my BIOS. Gave also the tip for the Dutch speaking people, Belgium, Netherlands and so on, Aruba. Other countries that speak Dutch, they can have a very interesting tip. schonepc.nl is a website that we send our students to because, well, we can teach them now Windows 10, but in no time they will have Windows 11 and then maybe Windows 12, etc, etc, etc. It always changes. There is it's part of life, right? Updates, everything changes, and we do forget sometimes our older population that they can't change with us anymore. Just too much, all these changes. Voila, we're getting ready. So schonepc.nl, I do hope they keep supporting the next generation of Windows. And yes, I was just thinking about the changes, the look and all that. There are some discussions. Let's say there's some parallels with Linux distributions, Linux desktops that you say, right. But theming is nobody's copyright. I mean, the look of a distribution is not your own. But yes, we have rounded windows now. There will probably be some registry edit to remove all that. I don't know. I haven't seen a video yet. I did see a video how to get my file explorer. So the explorer is totally changed. We don't have these possibilities anymore. But that I did see. We can get our old file explorer, file manager back. Is this the right country or region? That depends. Let's say yes. Voila. I like the language, I don't like the keyboard. Belgian periods. Yes. No, add layout, skip. Just one keyboard is good for me. Checking for updates. So you go to the official Microsoft website. You download the ISO, burn it on USB, bomb. That's all I did previous to this video. Let's name your device. Okay. I am a very original name. Windows 11. Can't contain only numbers. No more than 15 characters. Okay. Next. Maybe you're wondering, what's Eric doing? He's installing Windows 11. He's leaving us. No, I mean, remember, there's an article on ArcoLinux.com, or is it ArcoLinuxD.com, that says, guys, buy yourself a bay. It's a slider. It slides open. You pull out Linux and you push back in Windows 10, Windows 11, your gaming SSD, you game, and then later you start learning again programming Python and stuff like that on Linux and on Windows. Setup for personal use, setup for work or school, right? Choose. Next. We need to sign in. I could sign in, but since I'm recording, I'm gonna use another one. Sign in options. Let's see what we get then. Sign in with a security code, offline account, forgot my username, offline account. Skip for now. My name, as everybody knows, is Eric. My password is a very complex password, and woof, that's Windows for you. Boom, everything black. Just wait for it. Probably looking at drivers and all that. Boom. Okay. Next time, the very complex password. This I do not like. Right? Security question. What was your first pet's name? It's the very complex password. Security question 2. Whatever. It's the complex password. And section, what's the name of the city? It's still a very complex password. Solved. Choose privacy settings for your device. Microsoft puts you in control of your privacy. A little cough there. A location. Yes. Noops. 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 Accept. Checking for updates. Hi. Hi back. This is new, the glow. I really liked it the first time I looked at it. Oh, that's nice. Whoa, a nice glow. It's like breathing, right? Smaller, bigger. Moves around a little bit. But after the 10th time, right? Then you have the whatever. There he goes again. Well, if I have to choose between these circles that go round and round and round, the merry-go-round of the circles, I'd rather have this. Watch out, Eric, don't fall asleep. Almost there. Had given up. Ta-da! Right? A little bit zoom out. I have two screens, so exactly the same there. So better go in there. Go to settings and tell him, hey guy, I have two screens. Where are the screens? Personalization, system display. There you are. Identify. Download LAN driver. He's asking me something. Download LAN driver and all that. What do you want to do? Would you like to download and install the ARM Recreate app? Not for the moment. Not for the moment. Okay. So multiple identify, extend these displays, duplicate these displays. It is extended. Okay. It is extended, but wrong. I want to have the 2 there and the 1 there. apply. Let's see. Aha. Now my cursor is actually going from left to right and right to left. I can go over this thing here, right? Yeah, for the rest, it's just keeping up to date, I guess, but I probably need to sign in, although it seems I can download. Let's see. Because I didn't sign in yet, the serial key is not in there. I'm not signed in as a user, so they don't know who I am. But at some point in time, they will tell me, hey, Eric, you need to buy this thing. All right, enough for this. I mean, voila, Windows 11. I'll install Steam and some games and see how it goes. Cheers.